Okay.
Okay.
See, I have driven. I have modeled two pipes. Okay.
Okay.
Consider this is hydronic supply and this is hydronic return. Like this chill water supply and chill water return. Okay. I'll do one thing. I will just make two filters. I'll make a system. Okay. Right now there is no systems in this project. I'll just duplicate this one or else I'll do one thing. I'll rename this one. Okay. And I'm just changing it to chill water supply. Chill water supply, chill water flow or something. Okay. Who's there?
First one. Chill water
Okay. Sorry. Okay, I'll duplicate this one. Okay.
Okay.
Just going to add the filters. Like water. There is no filters. I'll do one thing. Just create a new one. HWR. Oh, we know how to create the filters, right?
Okay.
I'm going to create the filters for chill water return and chill water supply. For that, I am going to check the pipe fitting. Okay. If you want the accessories in same color, okay, you can check the pipe accessory also. And in this, I will take the system type equals chill water return, right? I'm going to duplicate this one and rename it. And this is chill water supply. Just change it to chill water supply. Supply. Chill water return, chill water supply. Either you can use this filter to create some colors. Supply. Okay. So this will be my color for the water supply. This for water return. Right.
Okay.
If you want to hide the center line, okay. See, in this view, if you want to control the visibility or if you want to control the line type, line weight, visibility, whatever, you just go to VG. Okay.
Okay.
You want to hide the center line of this pipe. So just go to 3D VG, go to filterless piping, take pipes, expand it. Here there is an option. Okay, just uncheck it, center line. Okay. All right.
Okay.
And consider this is here we have a riser.
Okay.
Just draw pipe. I'm just going to rise it like 5,000. So this pipe will go up, right? That's an issue. It's going to do this 6,000. So this pipe will rise, right? So pipe offset like 6,000 something. Okay. I have so I'm going to take a section. Fine. Just converting the elbow to T. Right. So you have these pipes. make it to
Okay.
fine shade. Okay. Oh no. I'll do one thing. I just change the colors. Okay. Supply this color. Okay. So you have few pipes here.
Okay.
Okay. First and foremost, we will try to make some tag family or annotation family for this pipe first.
Okay.
After that, we will make it for riser, right?
Okay.
Okay. See, like the duct, huh?
Okay.
Okay. This will be the same. Like in this tag, what all parameters will be shown for these pipes? The system, like whether it is chill water supply or return, whatever. Chill water, then its size, diameter,
Yes.
and the BOP, right?
Okay.
This has to be shown in shop drawing. As far as consultant drawings are considered, you want to just show the system and size. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. So we will make a family. Tag family, right? New family. Metric generic tag. I will delete this thing. Create. I will categorize this one. I will categorize this as we're going to pipe. We are going to create a tag family for pipe size, right? So there is a category called pipe tag. Okay.
Okay.
Just pick it. Label. Pick the label. What I will take first? System abbreviation, right?
Yes.
System abbreviation. Then size. Okay. And for piping, there is no bottom elevation in this area. Okay. There is no parameter called bottom elevation. We have invert elevation and we have start offset, end offset, or something like that. But we don't have this kind of bottom elevation in this label. So
Okay.
there are two options. Okay. The first option is I just want to I will end up in this way. I have system abbreviation and then I have size, right?
Okay.
I'm just going to expand it and duplicate it as 2 of Roman as 2 I'm going to save it. This pipe size tag, right? So this is my project. I'm going to tag it. Tags load family. I'm going to tag the same family. I'm going to load the same family pipe size tag. It is loaded right now. Okay, and just I'm going to pick it. Here we only have size. See, the abbreviation is not shown. Why? Because we haven't created the abbreviation for this system. See, there is no abbreviation. Right click it, take type properties, provide abbreviation in this parameter for this parameter. Okay, what is abbreviation? This is still water supply, CHWS, right? For this, CHWR. Clear.
Okay.
In order to hide the unit, we have discussed it before. Discipline, go to piping, go to pipe size, unit symbol, none. Okay.
Okay.
So this thing will be hidden. See, if you want to make the leader, just select it, edit type it, and pick the leader type. Okay,
Okay.
I'm just picking this pipe. Actually, in the properties, outside diameter, inside diameter, size, length, everything is shown. Okay, but the bottom elevation is not showing in this system. I mean, this property. There is start offset, there is end offset. What is start offset? 2743.2. Actually, the start offset is not the bottom elevation, it is the center of pipe, COP. Okay, I'll do one thing, I will make a section. I'll rotate the section. Oh, where is the so I'll make a line. Just I'll make a line. So this will be the pipe. Okay. Actually, this is the bottom of pipe, right? Like 2460.
Okay.
This is the center of pipe. 2543. I'm just selecting this pipe. See, in property you can find the same. Which is the offset value? 2453. Sorry, 2543. Correct. This is the center of pipe. Bottom of pipe is 2460. Get me?
Okay.
Okay. So for providing the bottom of pipe, we have an option here in annotate tool. What is that? In annotate, spot elevation. Here we have spot elevation.
Okay.
One second. Hello, Arya. ഞങ്ങൾ ഇറങ്ങിയിട്ടില്ല ഇതുവരെ ഡിസ്ചാർജ് ആയിട്ടില്ല 4 മണിക്ക് ഡോക്ടർ വരുമെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു എല്ലാവരും വിളിച്ചപ്പോ ഞാൻ തിരിച്ചു പോകുമ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനെ വിളിക്കാം അതായിരിക്കും ബെറ്റർ ഓക്കെ okay, so go to annotate, take spot elevation. In spot elevation, in this area we have display elevation option. Okay, expand this one and change it to bottom elevation and just pick the center line, not the side line. Just pick the center line. Here you can find the bottom elevation. See, just pick it. 2453. I will take the section 2459, right? 2460, like it is round up to 2459.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the bottom elevation. See, I will show it once again. Spot elevation, bottom elevation. Just pick the point and just expand it. Okay, actually this is another family. See, and I'm picking this. There is a type called spot elevation vertical. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll just edit it and I will rename it as, or else you can duplicate it. Okay, I'm going to give it as BOP. You can change properties of this particular family. It is a system family. It's a default family. Like if you want to change the font, you can change the font. It is a Roman. Yes. If you want to change the text size, you can change the text size. And if you don't want to have the arrow, you can put it as none. Just click OK. If you want to hide this line, you can. What is it? You can just select it and then you can uncheck this leader, right? And you can place it somewhere here. Okay. If you want to give the suffix, just select the family, and here, don't go to edit type. Here we have single or upper value prefix. You can provide the prefix here, BOP. Okay. But the thing is, this thing is, you have to do this separately. That's the main issue. See. Okay, similar. Bottom elevation, just pick this, uncheck it, click it, and place somewhere here. And provide us. Okay, this is one option. Okay, there is also another option. While you are creating the family, there is an option called add calculated parameter to label. We can create some kind of calculated parameter here. Okay, I'll just show this one. Name, I'm going to just give it as BOP. Okay, discipline, common. Type of parameter, I'm going to give it as number also. Just give me a second, 1 second, please hold.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So it's a number, and in formula, pick this option. Okay. The formula is offset. So
Start offset.
start offset. Start offset minus outside or minus outside diameter. I think so. Outside diameter by 2. Okay, no matter, everything will be given in the template. Okay,
Okay.
this is for your information only. I think this is the right one. This one inconsistent one. What happened? What happened? Give me a second. So diameter by 2. Right. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Try it just once. Minus BOP. Okay. I'm going to break it. I'm going to roll the project. All right. See. Right. Now we don't need this one. Correct. See. Correct. It's attachment or preend, whatever you need. Got me? So this is better. Please try this one. Start
Okay.
offset minus outside diameter by 2. Got it?
Okay.
That is the formula. Okay. In some cases, see, you have, I think you have done shop drawings. So you will be writing like this tag for your supply return, right?
Yes.
You'll be writing like this. Okay. If you want to do this, you can change like this. In system abbreviation, you can put suffix as return, right? Okay. And I'm going to save it as a separate family. I'll do one thing. I'll just load into project. Okay. I'm tagging it. See. And just change the leader type to open dot. You can change the size of this open dot. Open dot or any other. Let me see. By default, there is only this option, or else you can create a detail item. It's this one. Do like this, okay? Make it as none. Just expand this one. And just create a detail line. This option. Like this. Okay. This is right. Huh?
Okay.
And then we want to create some annotations for these risers. So consider the chiller is in our rooftop. We have some air cooled chillers, and air cooled chiller is in rooftop. This is the basement floor. Okay, and this will be like chill water supply, and this will be chill water return. You want to tag this riser. How will you tag it? This is
Text.
yes. I'm going to text it. Okay, 150 diameter. An easy way to get the diameter symbol is just go to mechanical settings, MS or systems. Press this dialog launcher and pick this dialog launcher, and in pipe settings you can get the diameter symbol. Okay, I used to do like this. Just paste it. Okay. If the chill, this is chill water supply from above, right?
Okay.
Correct.
Okay.
Even the chill water return to
Above.
above. Either you can text it, or if needed, you can create a family for this one also. Okay, I'll show you how you will create. Okay, for this, the same new family metric generic tag. I'm going to delete this one. Pipe size, same, the pipe tag. Categorize to pipe tag. Now, edit label, just edit it. I'm going to give the system abbreviation first. Next, I'm going to give the size. Next thing, I'm going to give any other default parameter like comments. There is a parameter called comments here. Okay, I'm just going to use this parameter. Okay, so I'm not going to break it. Everything will come out a single line. Okay, expand this box and change, duplicate the type or whatever you need it. One. Okay, I'm going to save pipe size tag for riser, right? For riser. Okay, and I'm going to tag it. Actually, I have to load that family. I'm going to load that family. Right now, this is the default family. Okay, so if I use this one, you can only get this family. I mean, these properties. Okay, this is another family. So I'm going to just pick the pipe and tag it. Okay, just select the pipe. In that pipe properties, you can see a parameter called comments. In this comment, you can write the corresponding flow direction from above. See, correct.
Okay.
Select the pipe and just pick right here to above and just tag it. Okay, you can also just double click it and you can change here also. This is the same.
Okay.
Okay, see. Okay, see, I'll take the 3D view. Here the pipe is going down. Okay, so I'm going to select the pipe or double click it, and I'm going to give from above to below, right? Okay.
Okay.
So this is the riser tag. Okay, similar to pipe, you can also create the same to duct also. So just try it. Okay, we'll end up for today.
Okay.
So just try to do these tools, please.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nalegge we'll try with we'll get into like plumbing. We'll do some, not plumbing, we'll finish first chill water, and then we'll go into plumbing and drainage, then we'll go to firefighting, right?
Okay.
Okay, all right.
Hello. நான் ஒரு டவுட்
சொல்லுங்க.
நான் ஸ்கிரீன் ஷேர் பண்ணேன்.
Okay, I will stop sharing this one. Okay.